Hi, it's Simon Migliano here from Top 10 VPN. What you can see here is a live capture of the internet traffic flowing to and from one of the VPN apps I tested. You're looking at a real-time log of the server requests made by the VPN app and the responses it receives. Naturally, some of this is communication between the app and the VPN provider's own servers. However, the majority is actually with third parties, such as advertisers, data brokers, and marketing platforms, all of which puts your privacy at risk. Let's look at some of these in more detail. Here you can see a log of the network traffic I captured from one of the VPNs I tested, an app called Cool VPN Pro. As you can see, there are a lot of server requests. In fact, it was one of the most concerning VPNs in terms of how many third-party ad tracking domains it contacted during normal use. Here you can see that in a short session, the app shared my Google Advertiser ID 38 times with multiple third parties. Let's take a look at some of those individual server requests that shared this unique ID with different advertisers. You can see that this request went to Unity Ads. The highlighted data is a unique fingerprint of my device made up of lots of different data points, such as screen size, device volume, connection type, free storage space and the like. This can then be used to track me across the internet. This next request is from Cool VPN Pro to a programmatic ads platform called Zmatiku. It contains another, this time a little less detailed, device fingerprint, made up of a different set of individual data points. This will be shared with countless additional data brokers and advertisers to serve me targeted ads that follow me around the web. This next request is to Yandex, the Russian search engine. Again, we can see that Cool VPN Pro is sending details about my device to Yandex, as well as my unique Google Ad ID. And finally, here we have a request to Facebook that not only shares my Google Ad ID, but also creates another device fingerprint to help track me. Let's turn now to problematic data collection happening in requests to a VPN provider's own servers. Here you can see my network traffic captures from another VPN I tested, this time an app called StarVPN. If we filter for server requests containing my IP address in their body content, we're left with just 3 results. One is just a lookup to show me my geolocation data in the app, which is fine. However, let's pop open one of the other 2. Here we can see that the app is not only phoning home with my IP address, but in the same request is associating it with the IP address of the VPN endpoint I am connected to. That's an absolute no-no on its own, but it gets worse. As you can see, the server is hosted on a URL called report.camel-vpn.net, which certainly implies some kind of logging. I would certainly recommend avoiding any VPN that displays this kind of behavior.